welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Joy to the World. I'm going to use this using sheet music. I've left where you can access that in the description. I'm going to pull up each line. There's going to be 5 lines. I'll go through it hands separately and then I'll show you it hands together and then play it all the way through. I'd say it's around grade 2 level. I've left my other Christmas tutorials linked in the description as well, so go and check those out. So let's dive in. So I've arranged this one in the key of C major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C major. So we're only using the white keys today. Here is middle C as a reference point, and here is the first line. So we'll do the right hand first. So we have 2 beats in a bar. Try to copy the fingers that I use. So we have E and C, and then G and B, F and A, then E and G, and then 3 and 5 on D and F, C and E, B and D, C, and then the chord at the end is C and G, which is the start of the next phrase. So I'll do all that line again. Okay, so left hand then we have C and G, again, and then again, then F, G, G and F, and C and E, and then an E at the end with your 3. Do that left hand again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I put this line together. So carrying on then, the second line, we have C and A, F and B, and again, and then C and E, we hold that, and then play C and E again. And on the left hand, we have the 2 on F, F, D and G, and again, and then C and G. So a bit more straightforward this second line, so I'll put that together. So if I join it in from the beginning, on to the next line, next 4 bars. So we have E and C again in the right hand, and then we're going to come down in thirds. So G and B, F and A, E and G, E and G again, but we do 3 and 5, D and F, C and E, back to E and C, and we repeat that bit again. So E and C, G and B, F and A, E and G, E and G, D and F, C, and E, and then C and E again. So I'll just do all that again without talking. On the left hand, all we're going to be pressing is C and G for these 4 bars. So I'll just put that together. On to the 4th line. So the right hand, we have C and E, and then we move that down to D and F, C and E, and then B and D, again, 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 C and E, and then D and F, and a little bit at the end, So I'll just do that again. So the left hand, we have C and E again, and then 1 and 2 and. Then we have G octaves if you can. If you can't stretch G octaves, maybe just try playing G and D instead. So that would also sound good. So G octaves. So I'll put this fourth line together now then. And the last line, so the right hand, we've just gone, and then we land on the C. E and C, C and A, C and G, C and F, C and E, D and F, back to C and E, B and D, and then C. Let's do that again. And the left hand of this line, we have E and G, and then C and G, then C and F, C and E, A, G, F, G, G and F, and then C and E. So that left hand again. 1 and 2 and 1. So I'll put this last line together. End of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.